So we're coming to the end of day one here at Electronica in Semicon Europa. And what a day it's been. There's been so much happening. There's some rumours sort of floating around about a new electronics manufacturing show that's going to be opening up in October 2026 in Stuttgart. I can't tell you more about it, but there is certainly going to be some information coming on that shortly. Here at the show, there's been quite a few new innovations. One of the most exciting ones was a new software for supply chain software from a British company, which is working in tandem with Jabil. We will be having a podcast about that in the next week or so. Then there was a fantastic panel discussion looking at the geopolitical risks affecting the semiconductor industry. That was hugely interesting. Again, there'll be a report on that in the next issue of Global SMT and Packaging, where I had an interview with Andy Heineck from Fraunhofer in Dresden, who've launched a new pilot line for essentially for automotive and other high reliability industries. And finally, the Comet brought out a new inline X-ray system for semiconductor packaging. It's got a very sophisticated handling system, and we will be showing you more of that too. That's my takeaways from today here at Electronica. Make sure and tune in for us to listen to us later this week.